Hi, this is going to be a story about one of my longest lasting personal projects. So, to start out, I'm going to tell you about a bit of history here. As a kid, I was obsessed with Lego, and around 2009, I started hearing rumblings about a Lego universe, and I was pretty excited. And around when 2010 rolled around, I think, my sister and I got chosen to be beta testers, which was great for her because she had a computer that she could play it on, and I didn't really. So I'm sure I bothered the snot out of her because I was begging her to use her laptop all the time. But anyways, what beta testing meant for us basically was we could use the game for free, which was absolutely amazing. And then the game came out. I think it was around late 2010 that it came out, and I still didn't have a computer. But I did enter a Lego contest, and I actually won the game, which was pretty sweet. Still didn't have a computer to play it on, though. Anyways, in 2012, the game actually closed because they weren't doing well enough, I guess. And that was pretty sad for me. 2014, I finally got a computer that I could have played it on, but it was closed. And I was just stuck with a DVD case of the game, and I was pretty sad. Flash forward about 3 years later, I was wishing I could play it again. I know, it's crazy. But I decided, wait a second, I've been doing Blender for a while. I know how to make a game. So I started making Lego Universe in Blender. So this self-created Lego Universe wasn't really much of a universe. There were only a few levels. And it was basically a sandbox full of nostalgia, complete with music and sound effects that was ripped straight from the game. Now I'm going to show you some screen recordings of me just playing around in the game, so you can see kind of what it's like. Cheers!
Whose problem you?